Hello. This is my vlog.
What the fuck is up, dude?
We're in the rain.
I look like a sewer rat.
Okay, we're in the rain. We have a skimboard. Look.
Let's go. Dude, we're skimboarding over there.
We're skimboarding in puddles.
Yep.
We all have really short shorts on right now.
Yeah, you got stuff in every puddle. It's like 30 degrees out. Yeah.
And we're walking to Safeway. And my phone's super fucking wet.
My shoes are so wet, it feels... We'll continue the vlog when we get to Safeway.
Wait, make the sound that your shoes are making?
Dude, put it on my feet. No, put the phone, like, put the mics on your foot.
Okay.
You hear that, guys?
I'm gonna cut that part out. Okay, my hair looks really good. So does Henry's.
Especially mine. I look like a 3-year-old who cut his hair.
Okay, we'll be back when we're in Safeway.
Oh, dude.
Hit it for the vlogs.
Hit it for the vlog.
Oh, get it. Get it. Okay. Where's Leo? He's all the way down there. He just kept running. Another one for the vlog. Damn. We're almost to Safeway now. We're in Safeway.
Dude, it's so fucking cold. I'm glad I found that puddle, otherwise I'd be way colder. No, I wanna go back to the kitchen. Warm.
We're gonna go get chicken and maybe corn dogs.
Corn dogs?
Oh, no, those chicken things.
Okay. Is it warm? In the kitchen? Yeah, Hanroy?
Oh, sorry.
We're getting
what are you
this
getting?
chicken. We got the chicken. Oh no, someone's stealing. Ooh, he's stealing.
You know, if you just throw it over the sensors, they can't catch you.
Okay, we got 6 corn dogs and a pound of hot wings from Safeway. Thank you, nice lady. Oh, and that guy. Why does he have purple on his blood? Anyways.
He made pants.
Thank you for the chicken, nice ladies at Safeway. Leo's over there getting ketchup. Yeah, we're eating. These buffalo wings aren't spicy. Leo's getting the ketchup for the corn dogs because they taste like booty otherwise.
Leo, ketchup.
I have to crack open like a corn dog.
My hot dog. I'll write it.
No. We just ate the chicken.
It's really cold in here, man.
It just got colder.
Can we go home?
I finally got ketchup for our corn dogs.
Dude, look at how scratched up the bottom of the skimboard is.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, Cypress.
No, don't show Cypress this. It's not his skimboard.
It's on his YouTube channel, Machine.
You're putting this on his YouTube channel?
On mine.
It is.
Oh. Block
Cy,
Cypress.
I didn't even know it was your brother's.
Me neither. Wait, it's his brother's?
Shut up. You told me that.
No, I didn't. No, cut this part out.
Okay, we're walking away from the aisle.
It's been at my house for so long, so I didn't think anybody wanted it back. And your brother doesn't even skimboard. I'm really sorry. I don't even give a care.
Okay, wait.
I just want to be warm.
We're walking away from the aisle.
What aisle?
The aisle with the candy. Let's go.
Why are we getting candy if it's cold outside?
Because candy makes you warm. Look, belly jeans.
Look at my shirt.
Yummy.
I can't move. I'm too cold.
Okay. This one? Yes. Shut up. These are the best chips I've ever had.
Yeah.
You wanna walk back?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Walking back now, and Leo's dying.
Well, this is Supreme North Face collab. I think it's a Supreme North Face collab.
Oh my god, dude. Is that the Supreme North Face collab?
Yeah. That was cute.
Oh, that's what it is.
That's an expensive jacket I got.
Leo.
What?
How old?
11. You have a fucking sweatshirt on, you dick.
Shut the fuck up, you dumb bitch.
My hands are gonna fall off and you don't even care.
Fuck your ass. Fuck your ass.
Ow! Ow! Fuck, that actually hurt. That really fucking golden.
Okay. We're not even close, but it's fine because we have this. We have green tea airs. Focus! Oh, I almost walked into that puddle. Ah! Okay, it's fine because we have this. Green tea Arizona.
That doesn't make me warm. It just tastes like ass. I want to be warm.
We're gonna make, we should make like a whole pot of this when we get back.
The whole thing. Make both of them.
Do you have like huge pots?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh fuck.
It's so windy.
Why did we do that? To make like a vape pod. Like you could put any of your favorite drink in it and it'll just taste like that.
That sounds disgusting.
No, dude, Dr. Pepper vape.
Coca-Cola. Holy fuck.
We're gonna make a whole pot of this when we get back. Look at my arm. Look,
good.
it's blue. I'm blue. I'm blue. I'm blue.
Fuck, am I blue?
You're just red. I'm blue.
Oh, look, I'm blue.
I'm not fucking blue, you chick.
Okay. Avatar is a great movie.
What?
Yeah, it was. Avatar was so good.
I'm taking a hot ass shower.
That's gonna hurt.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take a mildly warm shower. And it's gonna feel like it's 80,000 degrees.
And I'll make the Arizona. Oh no.
I hope you go.
I'm so cold. I'm wearing like short shorts.
Yes, I'm so down.
No, hold on. Okay, well, I'll take a big bath. Okay, I'll be back. We're in Leo's house. Leo's in the shower. He ran home before us. It's so cold. Alright, I'm gonna take a shower. And then, like, dry my shirt and my underwear off in the dryer. And then just wear the towel for now. Or I'll put on my pants. And then when they're dry, I'll put them back on and then, yeah. Are you gonna take a shower?
No, maybe.
Okay, I really want to dry my hair. It looks like shit right now.
We cheated on your
Look at this, dude.
I got you.
Goku. Okay, so we're out of the shower. Leo's playing Fortnite. With Jenny. I'm not wearing a shirt. I'm wearing Leo's pants because all my stuff's in the dryer. Same with Henry.
Same with me, your boy Henry. Kill myself.
Okay.
Oh, you have to go.
I'm gonna play after Leo. See you later. Okay, so we got our clothes. I have a shirt on. You like it? So does Henry. And I mean, Leo's playing a really shit song.
Playing
What
GTA.
is this?
I don't know. You're playing it, and he's playing GTA.
I was popping pills way back in high school.
Okay, I think this is the end. Bye
This
bye.
is the end of our lives.
My first vlog. I know it's good.